you have to always be conscious of the neatness of your job, whether the inside of your outfit or the outside of it. That's what makes you a good tailor. You're welcome to my channel. This is Vsmdesigns. Today, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step processes on how to achieve this beautiful senator outfit design. If you've not subscribed to my channel and turned on notification bell, you might consider doing so because there might be need for this channel either today or tomorrow, because learning never ends. Do not also forget to share this video widely to your friends, to your colleagues, and even to your enemies. Tell them about Vsmdesigns. Let's head straight to the business of the day. The very first thing you are going to do is to cut your gum to size, which I've done here. Then I am going to take a measurement where on a normal day my flap is going to end, so I'm going to shift it up a bit. Then the dimensions is 8.5 by 4.5 inches. There is a small piece of gum that is going to be here. I will make it 1.5 inches. When you have it into two, I'm going to have a total of 7.5 inches. So the gum I've cut already, I've already gummed it on the fabric. Don't forget to cut your own sizes according to the size of the chest you're working with. So this is a combination material that I'm going to attach to the upper side where I cut from the gum. If you take a look, you can see that I left allowance on 3 sides of the gum apart from the upper part where I have just joined the piece of material. So I've just folded it. I'm going to place a slice of hemming gum to hold it down. So after that, I am going to fold the sides of the gum. If you're a content creator who makes use of Capcut, but due to the costs of subscribing to Pro version, you don't have access to most of the features, you can send me a DM on WhatsApp. I have dropped the link on the description box. Now we are done folding the sides. What I'm doing now is to get the center of the piece. Then I will place it center to center. I am going to place hemming gum at the center of the fabric in such a way that the rest part of the design will be free. Obviously, there's power failure. At this point, I'm going to power on my generator. This is Nigeria. So we are back. I am cutting another piece of gum 1.5 inches by 10 inches. Then I'm going to curve one side of it. The gum is on fold, so I just curved one part of it. This is 5 inches when you cut it this way. Remember that the main design was 8.5 inches and this particular one is 10 inches in total. That is 5 inches each of them. It has to be so that when you place it this way, they are going to overlap because of the thread work we are going to do on it. So I went ahead to gum both of them. I am trimming directly from the gum. The only place that should have allowance is the straight part of it. Then I am cutting a strap and I am cutting it bias in such a way it will be a bit elastic. So I am going to take it to the machine and come back. I'm going to join it. I've taped it already, so we are folding it now. Remember that if you did not cut your strap to be biased, you are not going to achieve a smooth fold. It's practically impossible for you to achieve a smooth fold. That is why when we want to pipe a neck, we cut the piece of material that we are using for the piping. We cut it biased so that it will relax and be smooth. Now we go ahead and fold the straight area. After which you can now comfortably trim off the excess allowance. You are going to place it like this, just as you can see. And this way, as you can see, the both of them overlapped. So you are going to run thread here. Let me add hemming gum to it so that it can sit well. Please kindly interact with this video. That is the only way YouTube algorithm can show you and others my subsequent videos. You can like this video, you can share it, you can make use of the comment section if need be, and very importantly, subscribe to my channel and stay positioned. Just make sure that you place it very well in such a way that it doesn't go beyond the center design or below it. Make sure that they are equal. And when you are sure of that, you can go ahead and gum it down, after which you take it to the machine and run thread following the fold or the taping that you have just made. So when running thread at this place, you can decide to use a single footer to run it if you cannot maintain it with your normal double footer, because there's need to run this very thread in between the piping or the taping and the main material in such a way that the thread in there will almost look invisible. So after that, I will go ahead and run thread on the center design. If you take a look, you see that I started at the center down, so you can start at the center up or at the center down. The reason is because you are going to place your flap or your placket and it is going to cover that area. This is geared towards the fact that your job has to be very, very neat. You don't just join thread anywhere that you feel like. Now, after doing this, we mark where we are going to do our thread work. Can you see the essence of making the smaller pieces to be longer than the center piece? This is the reason, so that we can achieve a shape this way. Now I doubled my combination thread to run this. When you want to do this kind of thread work, number one, you have to double your thread, and number two, you have to change your stitches. Your stitches have to be long. You don't use your regular sewing stitches to do this particular thread work. So I increased it, and I've run the very first one. I am doing the second one now. If you also take a look, you notice that I started the thread running. I started the threading from the center, and I am ending at the center to make sure that nobody sees the joining. You have to always be conscious of the neatness of your job, whether the inside of your outfit or the outside of it. That's what makes you a good tailor. Now, after doing all this, we are going to join the shoulders, fix your neck, and go ahead to fix your flap and do your finishing. The most important thing here is how to achieve the design at the center. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell. Share this video widely to your friends and to your colleagues. Do not also be stingy to your enemies. Tell them about Vsmdesigns. There's always something new to learn, because the more you look is the more you see, and the more you see is the more you learn. Thank you. See you on my next video.